Hello there, just got done watching the Netflix film Players from 2024, 1 hour and 45 minutes long, rated TV mature audiences. And this irreverent, I can't say that word, romantic comedy, a sports writer devises a plan to turn a hookup into a relationship. I thought this was a pretty okay movie. It did feel like it was a little bit on the long side, but other than it being typical, predictable romantic comedy, I thought it was okay. What'd you think?
Yeah, same. It was decent, worth a watch. At least.
Yeah, I'd give it probably 3 out of 5 stars, and would recommend it for those who enjoy romantic comedies. If you've seen Players, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. And yeah, if you haven't, let me know if you typically watch romantic comedies or if you typically skip them. We usually try to watch them because some of them are gems.
Yeah.
This one, yeah, it was okay. It wasn't
bad.
Worst,
that's for now.
Yeah, it wasn't the worst, but you know, it certainly wasn't gonna be a cult classic or anything like that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.